Finding it hard to manage multiple service centers and appointments booking in one place? With MAPOG, you can centralize all your service locations on an interactive map, showcase key details, and enable seamless real-time appointment booking. Go to story.mapog.com and click on Create New Map. Select the category map template, add a title and description, and click Create. In map settings, use the Replace option to upload your company logo and save. Then, go to Process Custom Location and Custom Location Template settings to create attributes for accommodating your data and click plus Add New. Add a title, set geometry as a point and choose a color. Define attributes like clinic ID, name, services, etc., using types like select or multi-select. Add a book appointment field with type website_URL and display it as a button so that viewers can click this button to be directed to the appointment page. Save the template. In Process Custom Location, select Add by uploading CSV Excel. Select your custom template from the drop-down and upload your file. Assign a unique ID to each location. You can auto-generate it. Match each attribute to the correct column. Match latitude and longitude fields. Submit to auto-plot locations on the map. Go to Edit Custom Location Details to edit details. Add photos, business hours, additional info, and update the book appointment URL if needed and save. Organize locations using Group by attributes. For example, group clinics by specialization like cardiology or ENT. Then, use the filter option to view clinics selectively by attributes on the map. Use Sort By to arrange locations by live distance or proximity to a specific location. The distance from clinics will be visible. Go to Add Layer Style and Category Style. Then choose the attribute to style it by. Assign different colors or icons better visualization. In Map Settings, go to Action button. Add button text that is Visit Website, website URL, and phone number. Save to enable quick user actions. Click Preview and Share. Choose Public or Private Access, then share via link or embed the map on your website. You can also add users for collaboration. Make managing and booking appointments effortless with MAPOG. If you need any help with adding or uploading data, performing map analysis, creating map stories, or map or GIS consultancy, feel free to contact us at support@mapog.com anytime.